Okay, everybody, I told you I was going to do a short video on the plumbing to my live well. All you really need is a 90-degree elbow, a 45-degree elbow, a small piece of PVC, air inline tubing, aquarium line works great, that's what this is, and a little connector. You can use a 90-degree or you can use a straight up 45, it really don't matter. And also a little plastic washer just to restrict the airflow. It seems to work really good, picks up the velocity, draws the air in real good. And to assemble it, it's real simple, just slide your washer down in there. And let's see if I get this camera set up right, where we can see this. Well, if I can get something to set this up on. There we go. Alright. Oh, also you gotta drill a hole through both of them pieces, they will line up. Okay, and all you do is just slide that in. Just like so. Then you'll take your fitting and slip it in. And sometimes it's a little bit of a bugger to get in. Hold on one second. Okay, there we go. Now we got our fitting in there. You really can't see down in there, but you can just put your 45 on there and just adjust it however you need it. Real simple. Like I said, maybe cost $5 for everything. Only have to get some kind of insert, or do like I did. I just wrapped black tape around the bilge pump. Sits on there nice and snug. Keep fish alive all day, 4 days. Y'all have a good one.